We spent 6 nights aboard Virgin Voyages' Valiant Lady, and we're taking you along with us. We'll show you the beautiful ship, all the delicious food, premium cocktails, and more. We drove to Miami for our 11th sailing with Virgin. We really enjoy the adult-only concept and elevated offerings they provide. You're greeted immediately by a Happenings cast member as soon as you get on board, and it really sets the vibe. Rooms are ready as soon as you get on the ship, so we always head to ours to drop off our luggage and unpack. This cruise we sailed as Rockstars, which is Virgin's suite level category. The bathroom is honestly one of the biggest reasons we enjoy the Rockstar category. The size is perfect for 2 people to use at once if needed. This is a seriously sweet room and it's our favorite layout. There's plenty of storage space and the shower is amazing, and it even has an iridescent peekaboo window into the cabin. The room itself is really spacious and works well for us. The vanity is nice to do makeup and hair if the bathroom is being used. This is the other side of the iridescent peekaboo window. You can definitely see through it, but the finish on the window makes it not so on display. It steams up too when you're showering and is harder to see through. We find the bed very comfortable and upgraded from the standard cabins. This is another perk of us being Rockstars. The closet has plenty of storage and hangers, and the minibar is another added value for Rockstars. Rockstars also get an agent to help assist them with anything they might need. We don't use our agent much, but it's nice having one in case anything pops up. There is a record player, and you can also request to switch out your records. The TV pulls away from the wall, so you can watch it more comfortably from bed. I enjoy how the bed faces the windows because it's nice on sea days to lay in bed and soak up the ocean views. The balcony is a pretty decent size and of course includes the infamous hammock. We don't use the table and chairs much, but it's nice to have a drink outside occasionally. I wanted to take some time to show the minibar setup for Rockstars because I always see questions about it. You get 5 bottles of alcohol. If there are some you don't like, you can work with your Rockstar agent to swap out the bottles. We swapped the Jack Daniels for Buffalo Trace and ended up swapping the Belvedere for another of the Irish gin. Your Rockstar agent will bring you whatever mixers you want as well. The mini fridge includes some wine, energy drinks, and cans of beer. After unpacking, we came to the dock house for drinks and food. I always start off Embarkation Day with a Golden Horizon. It has tequila, passion fruit, honey, and basil, and is refreshing. They have an excellent food menu too that is all included. You flip the flag and a server comes to take your order. We got the fire-roasted chicken thighs with an eggplant puree and pita, Spanish octopus with sunchokes, grilled shrimp with garlic yogurt and Aleppo butter, and goat cheese polenta with harissa aioli and saffron baby vegetables. Did I mention all of this is included at no extra charge? The dockhouse is always the best spot to go on Embarkation Day because it's not nearly as busy as the Galley and the food is delicious. After tapping into our mustard drill, we stopped at On the Rocks for my second favorite drink, the Entertainer. It's another passion fruit flavored cocktail. See a theme? Cody got an old fashioned, which was a little too sweet for his taste. I never know if I should sip the shot of sparkling wine or if I should mix it in. I've had it both ways, but I'm still not sure which way is right. We then went to Richard's Rooftop for Sail Away. It's a Rockstar exclusive area with a free happy hour every day. We always find people to talk to and usually end up making new friends, which is fun. After Sail Away, we went to the Galley for dinner. I got sushi and we both got a burger. We had a couple shows we wanted to catch, so we opted for something quick. We couldn't skip dessert. The pistachio macaron is Cody's favorite dessert on the entire ship, and it's really good. We didn't bring our camera to the shows out of respect, so we'll end our day here. After a day filled with food and fun, we were ready for bed. We can't wait to share more of our trip with you.